No one day is alike around here, and that's what I enjoy about working.
I did pick a profession that I do like, that I enjoy. I enjoy helping people. And if I know I can make them happy, they're making me happy, and knowing I'm doing my job the right way.
I knew as a student that this is where I wanted to work. I really liked the people, our equipment was up to date, and it was out of the other sites that I was at, this is the one I wanted to work at.
I stay because I enjoy the flexibility in my schedule. I enjoy the people I work with.
One of the big reasons I enjoy waking up in the morning and coming to my job is working with the staff here.
I've worked here for 17 years, and it seems like yesterday I arrived.
So we're very helpful. We're always in each other's business. We always want to know what's going on with the patients and everything else. You learn a lot here. So I feel like it's a good place to work.
Our whole floor is so cohesive. I love it because you are supported, you are never alone.
One thing I love about it is Leesburg Regional Medical Center is I do feel valued 100%.
I get feedback from managers and others that I work with about the work that I provide, and it makes me feel appreciated.
It's just one day at a time, one patient at a time. This is 12 hours. You do what you can do to help the patients and come back again the next day for more.
The reason I come to work every day, day in and out, I come to work for my coworkers, for my patients, and to make sure there's adequate staffing on the unit.
So I think it's really nice to have that family atmosphere because you know that you're going to have each other's back and you're going to get through the day. And anytime that you're working well together, you're going to be taking great care of the patients.
When I'm coming to work, I look forward to the patient care. I look forward to making patients feel better, giving them a better quality of life, and most of all, just encouraging them and giving them hope.
A lot of times we will talk to patients when they leave the hospital, and they're just so grateful for that time that we take to talk to them. And also just monitoring medications and making sure that it's the right medication for them. That just makes me so much prouder in what I do, and it makes my job easy.
Knowing that you do make a difference, and especially in those patients that you really connect with, it's really fulfilling.
Patient care is what motivates me to come to work, and also the team motivates me to get up in the morning and come in. It's just a great place to work.
There are lots of patients that I think about a lot. Occasionally I'll see patients out in the community and they'll come up and approach me and talk about how much better they are, and it's often amazing to see how much better they look out in the community.
But you know what? I have patients to look after, and I have co-workers that I depend on them and they depend on me, and that's my motivation.
I think that we do have a very strong mission statement here at our hospital. And it's all about just to improve the care and the quality of the patients. And we hear that throughout our surveys. We hear it from the patients that come in from other counties. And so that's what makes our mission statement strong.
Anytime that you can say that regardless of what you do, at the end of the day, it's about the patient and taking care of them and providing the absolute best care possible, following best practice, then I think that's a win every single day.
Happy Hospital Week!
Happy Hospital Week.
Hope everyone has a happy hospital week.
Have a happy Hospital Week!
Hey, I wish everybody a really happy hospital week.
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 Happy Hospital Week!